angle. A figure formed by two rays with the same initial endpoint is called an angle. The common endpoint is called the vertex of the angle, and the two rays are called the arms of the angle. Look at the pictures given. They give us some idea of an angle. We use the symbol for the word angle. Naming an angle. We name an angle in three ways, using a three-letter name in the order: a point on one arm, vertex, and a point on the other arm. In the given figure, we name the angle as angle BAC or angle CAB. Using only one letter name, that is the vertex, angle A. This can be used when there is only one angle with this vertex. Writing a number or small letter within the rays of the angle and naming the angle using this number or letter, such as angle 1 or angle A. Remember, the middle letter is always the vertex of the angle. Interior and exterior of an angle. The inside of the angle, that is the region between the ray, is called the interior of the angle. In the given figure, point A is in the interior of angle PQR. Points P, D, Q, E, and R are on the arms, also called sides of the angle. The points of the plane that do not lie on the arms or in the interior of the angle are in the exterior of the angle. The points X and Y are in the exterior of angle PQR. Example. Look at the angle shown in figure given on the right and answer the following questions. Classify point M, N, O, R, S, T, D, A and B as in the interior of the angle and in exterior of the angle or on the angle. Name the angle in different ways. Write the names of the arms of the angle and its vertex. Solution. M, N and D are the points in the interior of the angle. Points R, S and T are in the exterior of the angle. And points A, O and B are on the angle. We may name the angle as angle AOB, angle BOA, or angle O. OA and OB are the arms and O is the vertex of the angle. Remember, whenever two rays have a common endpoint, we get an angle. Comparison of angles. The size of an angle is measured by how much the arms are opened out and not by how long the arms appear to be. Let us compare angle AOB and angle EFG given below. Method. Trace angle EFG on a tracing paper. Place the tracing of angle EFG on angle AOB in such a way that F falls on O and EF falls along OB. We observe that G lies in the interior of angle AOB. So, angle EFG is less than angle AOB. Let us compare angle PQR and angle XYZ given below. Method. Trace PQR on a tracing paper. Place the tracing of angle PQR on angle XYZ in such a way that Q falls on Y and QR falls on YZ. We observe that X lies in the exterior of angle PQR. So, angle XYZ is greater than angle PQR. This method of tracing angles to compare them is practically difficult. To overcome this difficulty, we need to measure an angle exactly. Measurement of angles. In the measurement of angles, the unit used for measurement is called degree. The symbol for degree is given as, for example, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, etc. The number of degree in an angle is called its measure. In the given figure, the number of degrees in angle AOB is 15 degree. The notation for measure of an angle AOB in degrees such as angle AOB is equal to n, where n is the number representing the measure of the angle. Find the measure of the following angles: angle AOC, angle AOD, angle AOE, angle AOF, angle AOG, angle AOH. How to measure angles? An angle is measured with a protractor. A protractor has two scales of measurements, the inner scale and the outer scale. On both the scales, angles from 0 degree to 180 degree are marked. We read clockwise in the outer and the anti-clockwise in the inner. We follow the given steps to measure an angle. Draw an angle of unknown measure with the help of a pencil and ruler. Step 1. Place the protractor in such a way that the center coincides with the vertex O of the angle and the baseline coincides with the arm OA of the angle. Step 2. Check the scale, outer or inner, where the baseline arm points to 0 degree. Step 3. Start reading the measure of the angle from where the other arm crosses the scale. The measure of angle AOB is 50 degree, or angle AOB is equal to 50 degree. Example: read the measure of angle PQR and angle EFG in the following figures. Solution: we have angle PQR is equal to 75 degree and angle EFG is equal to 120 degree.